From my previous research in the related fields, I figured out that Netherlands were one of the best leading research academies in Europe. And most of the research I was conducting led me to people that were over here either teaching or providing courses. That's why I chose NGI.
Actually, the multidisciplinary part, that it's technical, economical, and lots of people together with different kinds of backgrounds.
Well, probably the most important thing is meeting people from around the world and finding out what they're working on, their interests, their expertise, and why they've come here.
Oh, it's a very good, very high quality academy, I would say, because the lectures presented so far are by some of the top people in their field.
I have had a wonderful time this week. Enjoyed the discussions in the class. I didn't get through all my course materials, but that's a good sign because that usually means the discussion has been much more valuable than what I can talk about. It's really perfect. The rooms are small, 10 to 20 students, which allows for a lot of interaction. That's been the best part.
Very nice. It's highly interactive, engaging.
I think Academy is a great idea in general, and it's something that should be done more regularly, I think. And it offers sort of ideas to sort of take sort of cutting-edge ideas and bring them down to the people who are just starting up. And yeah, it's a good thing.
We can learn a lot from each other here.
The lecturers are extremely approachable. They are extremely knowledgeable about their subject, yet they are willing to put down the time to help you out as well.
Really structured presentations are really interesting and moved through a lot of information very quickly.
Yeah, I'm very satisfied with the excellent professors, excellent lectures.
We've got top presenters who know their field and who can teach us quite a lot of things. I mean, as far as I can see, it's very good.
The students are absolutely terrific. I've enjoyed interacting with them, and I recognize that next time we do this, I'm going to allow more time for discussion, less for lecture, because this way I learn from them as well from me.
Overall, I think everyone's really open to participation, and that's probably very, very beneficial.
The level is really high. You see also the knowledge of all the other participants. They really add to the program.
It's been exciting to get to interact with them and create some new relationships in the process.
My opinion about the students is very positive. Involved. There was nobody in the workshop who would not speak out, who would not have a question. They were all into the subject.
Classmates are extremely diverse. They're from different countries, so we get to share a lot of our common interests or differences. We have long talks and discussions during the meal times. It's excellent.
Oh yes, it's very nice. Although we were told that we would be working from 7 to 10 at night. Actually, there's some time to sit together and have a talk and discuss either serious stuff or less serious stuff, have a drink. It's pretty good.
Lots of time to talk and relax, so I think there's a really nice balance between the lectures and outside social activities.
Relaxation and talking happens probably at dinner and post-dinner when we sit around and talk. It's a nice time where we exchange a lot of ideas, talk about a lot of things.
As you already have seen, it's a wonderful castle, so that always gives a special twang to the whole situation.
It is quiet and nice and beautiful.
I think the location is really beautiful. I'm not really used to sleeping with ducks outside the window. Found them a little bit distracting. I hope to take away a lot of sort of steps and procedures that I can use in my own work. Sort of more of a how-to list. I think right now I have a lot of theory and not a whole lot of practical experience, and I'm hoping that through this academy I'll get some of the practical background and how to approach the problems in a controlled and systematic way.
I would definitely like to come back, yes. Enjoyed it, the setting of course, but also speaking to the people. I've spoken to a few people whom I will meet again. There's an appointment for next Monday already, and that's only good, that it's being taken further than the day of today on itself.